www.gibsonTruckWorld. Calm 2008 Dodge 1500 Crew Cab Hemi riding on 4 brand new tires and 20-inch wheels. With 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, adjustable pedals, dual power heated leather seating, CD player, power sliding rear window, wood grain interior trim, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, Line 10 bed liner and towing package, PW, PDL, and PM. The Hemi defines bold and brawn, and this Dodge packs both. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of